Hey, shalom, shalom, Most High in Christ bless. Officer Jeshurun here, IUIC Los Angeles, and right now we're in the double fold workshop on Sunday. What we're doing right now with the YMOV is a art workshop. We're working on specifically 1-point perspective, and then we changed it up a bit, and now they're doing like action poses for like comic book characters, because a lot of them are fan of comic books. So one of the things that we can take away from this is that they get more creative, and then they get very technical. What I want to get out of this workshop for the young ones is that they can use this skill set in a career that they want to get in the future. So if they're into architecture, or if they're into construction, or even drafting, this skill set, even though it's basic, can help them when they're older and they want a career. They can utilize this. So all praise to the Most High. Lord's will we get more workshops like this, and then keep them excited and busy. So with that, I'm gonna say shalom, Most High in Christ bless.
Shalom, Most High Christ bless. So what we're doing here is we're drawing King David with Goliath's head, and the colors that I'm using is brown, green, yellow, and that's it. That's all the colors. Shalom, Most High Christ bless. My name is Zion.
Shalom, it's Andrew, and we're at the Young Lions workshop where, as you can see here, we're learning how to do action poses and not drawing stick figures, and we're learning how to sketch, and we're learning how to do perspective drawings. Shalom.